Hi everyone, we have some Mazda Miata NC1 headlights finished up today. This customer sent in his OEM headlights for our conversion service, which upgraded the projectors to a 3-inch bi-LED. His factory headlights were also, the lenses were not in good shape, so we outfitted these with a pair of brand new lenses. So these are basically looking like brand new now, and we have some upgraded projectors inside. We can do this conversion on both the halogen and HID model headlights. It does not matter which version you have, but do expect a good increase in performance once you get the headlights converted to the bi-LED based projector. So if you guys are interested in getting your NC1 Miata headlights upgraded, check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. Send in your lights, get this conversion service done, and add the new lenses if you want to refresh that look. If your lenses are, hazed and whatnot. Finally, we do also offer additional modifications you can add to the package. We do a lot of halo installs on this model headlight. We also do demon eyes, LED strip modifications, custom painting, a lot of different options on the website. So just make sure you look through everything before you check out. And if you have any final questions about ordering, feel free to reach us through phone or email. Our contact information is on our website.